Welcome once again to my channel. Today we'll be making party salad that can be paired with any food. Thanks for watching and subscribe. So for our simple party salad, we're going to need some lettuce, some eggs, tomatoes, cucumbers, lemon, onion, carrots, some spring onion, scallion, or green onion, some olive oil, some baked beans. This is vegetarian baked beans, salad cream of choice, some mayo, Dijon mustard, some salt, and some vinegar. We'll start off with our cleaned lettuce. We put a little bit of vinegar on there. So to start our dressing, we're going to need half a lemon. And then we squeeze it in here. Make sure we get out the seeds. And then we get some Dijon mustard. This much. Next is our mayo. We use about 6 tablespoons. And then we put olive oil. And then a little bit of salt to taste. And then we mix. So our salad dressing is ready. Now we cut up our carrots and veggies. I have some diced and some in round shape, just to decorate it and make it look nicer. So now with our cut up green leaf lettuce, we're going to start our salad. Next, we put on some tomatoes. And then some diced cucumbers and onions. And then some carrots. Some salad dressing. I like to use some of this salad dressing as well because it brings out a lot of taste to it that I like. And then we put in some baked beans. And then we repeat. And we repeat again. Next, we put our eggs on there. Then last but not least, we put our scallions on top of it. And we drizzle a little bit more of the dressing on there. And voila, our salad is ready. Thank you very much once again for watching. Our salad is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Until we meet again, have a wonderful rest of your day. And subscribe.